Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Kik Alerts. First, log into your Kik Creator dashboard. Once logged in, locate and click on the Alerts tab, usually found on the left-hand navigation panel. This is where you'll manage all your stream notifications. You can customize alerts for new followers, subscribers, and even gifted subscriptions, ensuring your audience feels appreciated and engaged during your live broadcasts. Now, let's make your alerts visually appealing. You can upload your own images or animated GIF to truly brand your alerts. Experiment with different font styles and vibrant colors to match your channel's aesthetic. Don't forget to adjust the size and placement of the alert box on your screen, ensuring it's prominent but doesn't obstruct important gameplay or content. A well-designed alert enhances the viewer experience significantly. Next, we'll focus on the audio and timing of your alerts. Select distinct sound effects for different alert types, like a chime for new followers and a fanfare for new subscribers. You can even upload your own custom audio files for a truly unique touch. Also, determine how long each alert stays on screen. A duration of 5 to 10 seconds is often ideal, providing enough time for viewers to react without being intrusive. Finally, it's crucial to test your alerts before going live. Use the Test Alert button within the Kik dashboard to preview how each alert will appear and sound on your stream. Double-check that all your custom images, sounds, and text are working perfectly. Once you're satisfied, save all your changes. Your new, personalized alerts are now ready to engage your audience and enhance your live streaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.